Want to effortlessly accept payments on your Odoo website and skyrocket your sales? Then follow this step-by-step guide. First, head over to your Odoo Apps module and in the search bar type Razorpay. Locate the Razorpay Payment Acquirer module and click Install. Once installed, navigate to Configuration Settings and under Payment Acquirers, find Razorpay and enable it. You will need to check the Enabled box to get it working. Now, it's time to configure the module. Enter your Razorpay API key ID and API key secret, which you can find in your Razorpay dashboard. Make sure you are using the live API key for real transactions or test key to test the transactions. Next, go to your website and add any product to your cart. Then, proceed to the checkout page. You should now see Razorpay listed as a payment option. Select Razorpay and complete the payment. After successful payment, you'll be redirected to a confirmation page showing your order details. Congratulations! You have now successfully integrated Razorpay into your Odoo website.